Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to connect to PostgreSQL 12 database using Liberica JDK8 from Bellsoft through JDBC programming. So here you can see that I have already installed PostgreSQL 12 database software. So this is the installation directory of PostgreSQL 12 database. I have installed in Windows 10 machine. So this is the data directory used by PostgreSQL 12 database where all the database information are stored here. So next, this is Liberica JDK8 which I have already installed from Bell Software. So this is a clone of OpenJDK8 project and it's free to use OpenJDK8 from Bell Softwares. And very important thing is here you can see that I already downloaded the PostgreSQL JDBC driver jar file from PostgreSQL website and copied to one directory. Make sure that you have done the same. Next thing is we are going to see this two basic JDBC programs used to connect to PostgreSQL 12 database using Bell Software's Liberica JDK8 and PostgreSQL JDBC driver. So before we proceed, you can see that I have already started the PostgreSQL 12 instance using this command, which is running on the port 5432. And pgadmin is a tool which is bundled with the PostgreSQL 12 software. It's a web-based interface used to connect PostgreSQL 12 database. So I am using this to connect the database and execute the queries to PostgreSQL 12. So make sure that you have installed the pgadmin to enabled pgadmin tool also. So before you proceed, let me check Java is available in the path. Yes, Liberica JDK8 is available in the path. So now let us go to our first JDBC programs. So our first JDBC program is a basic one used to connect to PostgreSQL 12 database, and it will print database information and it will print all the records from person table. So I have imported all the basic interfaces like driver manager, connection statement, result set, etc. So this is our first line, driver manager.get connection, which will call the JDBC URL and establish the connection to the PostgreSQL 12 database. Make sure that you have provided the correct Postgres JDBC URL with the username and password. So this database metadata object prints the basic information about the database like database name, database version, etc. Next is we are going to print all the records from the person table. So which consists of two columns, name and age. Using result set object, I am printing the records from person table. So finally, I am closing the result set statement and connection object. So all this database logic should be done in try catch block. So now we are going to compile our first JDBC program. So copy. So this is the syntax for compiling. So make sure that you have included the PostgreSQL JDBC driver jar file in the class path as shown here. So compilation is successful. Let me run the program. For running the program also, we need to include the jar file in the class path. Yes. So it's successful. You can see that the database metadata information is got printed. And also you can see that all the records from the person table also got printed. So Bellsoft's Liberica JDK8 supports PostgreSQL JDBC driver, and we can able to make connectivity with the PostgreSQL 12 database. So now we are going to see our next program. So in our next program, we are going to insert one record to the PostgreSQL 12 database. So we are using the same PostgreSQL JDBC URL only. So here I am passing the insert query to the execute update method. So execute update method used to insert, delete and update the rows in the table. After inserting, I am fetching all the records with the help of result set object from the person table and print all the records. So let me update the record. So save the file. So now let us try to compile and run our next JDBC program. So this is the syntax used to compile. So same as before, include the PostgreSQL JDBC driver jar file in the class path. Also running also we need a PostgreSQL JDBC driver to be in class path. Yes, successful. We can able to see that new record is got inserted. Let me confirm in pgadmin tool. So let me refresh the query here. Yes, you can see that new record is got inserted. So finally, Bellsoft Liberica JDK8 supports PostgreSQL JDBC driver, which used to connect PostgreSQL 12 database.